Hey guys, Neil with Fobzz here. Second video on how to create a site. In the last video, we created our company and we went in, we don't have anything yet. So we're gonna create the actual location. We're gonna call it, for example, my store, location 1. And then you put in an address. And next. This would be the contact person information. You could put in the contact information of the manager of that location or your customer. You could put in your own information. Doesn't really matter right now. You could always edit it later on as well. And then you could take a picture of, I would recommend just taking a picture of you could take a picture of the building, you could take a picture of their business logo, something that will represent the site. We're gonna skip it for now. And you could give it a description or just skip that as well. And that's it. You have your first site. And then you click it to enter. And that's where you actually could manage everything from adding devices, schedules, users, view logs, etc. All right, so we're gonna cover adding a device in the next video. Thank you for tuning in.